Do you dream of the ultimate work-from-home job? One that can earn you up to $1,300 per day just by copying and pasting articles? Stick around because I'm about to share a goldmine opportunity with you. But before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on such lucrative opportunities. Now let's get started. Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here to share some exciting news that could potentially revolutionize the way you work. More importantly, the way you earn. If you've ever felt trapped in a traditional 9-to-5 routine, dealing with overbearing bosses and constantly surrounded by noisy colleagues, then what I'm about to say will be music to your ears. You see, we're living in an era of the digital revolution, a time that has given birth to countless opportunities and platforms for making money online, right from the comfort of your own home. In this time and age, you can set your own rules, become your own boss, and work from any corner of the world, all while earning an income that could potentially outstrip what you'd make in a conventional job. Today, we're diving into one such platform that has proven to be a real game changer in the online money-making world. It's called LANDINGI. This platform, my friends, is not just any ordinary online platform. It's a gateway to a world where making a hefty income is just a few clicks away. Yes, you heard that right. Now, you might be wondering how this all works. Well, it's as simple as copy and pasting articles. Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me when I say it's as straightforward as that. No complex coding, no sales calls, just good old copy and paste. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dream of a six-figure income? Well, with LANDINGI, we're about to turn that dream into a reality. I'm talking about the possibility of earning up to $1,300 a day. Can you imagine that? A significant income without even stepping foot outside your home. But here's the catch. Like every good thing, this too requires a bit of learning and understanding. And that's exactly why I'm here. I'll guide you step by step through this exciting journey. I'll walk you through the sign-up process, show you how to select the right articles, and even share some of my personal tips and tricks for maximizing your income on LANDINGI. So, make sure to stick around until the end of this video. We've got a lot to cover, and I promise you that by the end of it, you'll be ready to kickstart your journey to financial independence. Here's to becoming your own boss and earning money in a way that suits you the best. Step 1. Visiting LANDINGI affiliate program. Now, step 1 is incredibly straightforward. It's as easy as launching your browser. Just sit back, relax, maybe grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's get started. All you have to do is type in LANDINGI affiliate program in the search bar and then hit enter. This is where it all starts. This is where your life begins to change. The moment you hit enter, you're on your way to a new world of possibilities. Once you reach the LANDINGI website, you'll find that it's user-friendly and incredibly easy to navigate. The layout is simple and intuitive, making it a breeze for even the most tech-phobic among us. The LANDINGI team has made sure that anyone and everyone can use their platform without any hiccups. One of the standout features of LANDINGI is their landing page building. It's a powerful tool designed with the intent to help you create beautiful and high-converting landing pages. You don't need any prior experience or technical knowledge to work with this. With just a few clicks, you can create a landing page that has potential to attract a plethora of potential clients. Now, let's talk about the affiliate program. This is where the real magic happens. The beauty of LANDINGI lies in their appreciation of strong partnerships. They recognize the value of their affiliates, and to show their gratitude, they offer a fantastic commission structure. As an affiliate, you have the opportunity to earn an impressive 25% from each sale you refer. This is not just a one-time payment, but a continuous earning opportunity. Just picture the possibilities. Every time someone signs up for LANDINGI through your referral link and purchase one of their plans, you'll receive a generous commission. It's almost as if you have a passive income stream that continues to flow while you relax, read a book, or even when you're asleep. It's a fantastic opportunity to earn money without constantly being on the clock. Step 2. The exciting journey to joining the LANDINGI affiliate program. Okay, now let's move on to step 2 of our journey, which is all about joining the affiliate program. This part is as simple as it sounds, I promise. Picture yourself in front of your computer or your smartphone, opening up the LANDINGI website. Your eyes will instantly be drawn to a big inviting blue button that reads, Join the affiliate program. It's as if it's calling your name. Give that button a click and you'll be whisked away to another page where you'll be greeted with another button that says Join Now. I know what you're thinking, another button? But think of it this way. Every click brings you one step closer to your goal. So go ahead and click it. A form will appear, fill it out, submit your application, and just like that, you're officially a LANDINGI affiliate. You just opened the door to a world of possibilities. Step 3. Stepping into the role of promoting LANDINGI. Now that you're a part of the team, it's time to roll up your sleeves and start promoting LANDINGI. But don't fret, you're not alone in this. LANDINGI provides you with a variety of ready-made promotional materials. They've done the heavy lifting for you. These materials are designed to attract and engage potential customers, making your job a lot easier. And here's the cherry on top. You'll be assigned an affiliate program coordinator. Think of them as your personal assistant or even a guide. They're your go-to person for anything related to the program. They'll support you, assist you, and most importantly, help you grow your business. With their guidance, you'll soon see those commissions rolling in. Now let's do a bit of math, but don't worry, it's the fun kind of math that could potentially lead to a 6-figure income by the end of the year. Yes, you heard that right. Let's say about 5,000 people visit the affiliate page, and only a small fraction of them, say 2%, end up purchasing a landing plan through your referral link. That's 100 new customers. Each customer spends $100 a month. That's $10,000 in total sales. Remember, you're getting a whopping 25% of that. Can you imagine the possibilities? Step 4. Harnessing the power of Reddit to promote LANDINGI. Now let's talk about another fantastic way to promote LANDINGI, Reddit. You've probably heard of it. It's a massive online community where individuals from all over the world come together to share information, ask questions, and connect with others. It's a goldmine of potential customers. Your task is to find the right subreddits, the ones that focus on topics related to marketing, entrepreneurship, or online businesses. Once you've found them, engage with the community. Search for posts and questions related to landing page builders and share your knowledge. Be helpful, be genuine, and subtly promote your affiliate link. Consider using an AI chatbot like ChatGPT to help you craft perfect responses. It's like having your own personal assistant to help you engage with potential customers. But remember, it's not just about promoting your link. Be authentic, be helpful, and avoid spamming your link. The aim is to provide value to others, not just make a sale. Remember, every interaction you have could potentially lead to someone clicking on your link. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how you can make up to $1,300 a day by simply copying and pasting articles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Remember, it's not just about earning money, but also about gaining financial freedom and living life on your terms. Make sure to check out more videos on the screen.